You want to make something that's unbelievably delicious and easy, and it's gonna have your neighbors knocking on your window asking you, what are you cooking? I need that right now. This is the one pan dinner you're gonna make. And I'm telling you, it's so easy. It comes together within 30 minutes. It uses just one pan and it uses your everyday ingredients. We first brown some mushrooms, make a delicious sauce with some Cajun seasoning and aromatics, add the beans and spinach, some vegan parmesan, and that's about it. So let's make this one pan spinach mushroom beans. We're gonna start with a skillet over medium heat. Add the olive oil, and once the oil is hot, add all the mushrooms and spread them so that most of the mushrooms are touching the skillet. We don't want a double layering of the mushrooms if possible because we want to brown the mushrooms evenly. Let them cook for about 1 to 2 minutes, then mix the mushrooms a little bit and continue to cook them so that the other edges can brown as well. Add in some Cajun seasoning and salt and cover with a lid to cook the mushrooms further. Now, depending on what mushrooms you're using and how thick the mushrooms are, they will need either a minute or up to 5 minutes to cook and get nicely golden brown. Then remove them from the skillet. Now in the same skillet, add some more oil, and once the oil is hot, add in the chopped onion and garlic and a pinch of salt. Cook the onion until it is starting to turn golden, about 4 to 6 minutes depending on your skillet and the stove. Keep stirring every minute or so. Add in a splash of water if the pan is drying out too much. Once the onion and garlic are golden, add in all of the seasoning and the salt. Add in the flour and a little bit more oil. Cook it for about 30 seconds or so to cook the flour just a little bit. Then add in some stock so that the flour can mix into the water and doesn't form any lumps. Then add in the rest of the stock, your non-dairy cream, yogurt or vegan cream cheese. Add in the spinach and the beans, remaining salt. Mix really well and cover with the lid until the spinach wilts or cooks according to your preference. Add some vegan parmesan or some other vegan cheese. Now mix really well and taste and adjust the flavor. Add more salt, add some pepper flakes for heat if you want, add some more herbs if you want, add some more water or stock if you want it saucier, and bring to a boil again. And then switch off the heat. Garnish with your brown mushrooms. Add some pepper flakes and oregano as well if you want, and some vegan parmesan, and these skillet mushroom beans are ready. They're super quick, super delicious, and super nutritious as well. Clearly, I can't wait because I'm eating right from the skillet. So good. You can serve this with some toasted sourdough, garlic bread, naan, pita bread, over baked potatoes, some roasted vegetables, or make this as a side with some other dishes that you're planning. It's a super flexible recipe. You can add more protein depending on what non-dairy cream that you use. You can add in some nutritional yeast and hemp seeds as well to up the protein, and serve with a multigrain bread or a side which has some extra protein. You can add in some more herbs if you want. You can add in some sun-dried tomato. You can change up the seasoning. So play around and make these beans. If you like my one-pan beans, I have several of those options on the blog. You can make my Alfredo beans, my pink sauce beans, my puttanesca beans, my Indian black pepper chicken curry beans, or make some bean stroganoff, lemon garlic beans, Tuscan beans. I mean, there are plenty of beans. If you make these, do let me know in the comments how you like them. Don't forget to review them on the blog as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.